Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum dear students. Welcome to EPSEC online support program. This is round 3 and week 16. In this video, we will recall chapter 1 and will be able to recall, comprehend and summarize content of chapter 1. Write the character sketch of Elizabeth in 50 to 60 words and complete given revision exercises on loose sheets. For this work, required resources are textbook and loose sheets. Today's thought of the day is intelligence plus character, that is a goal of true education. Means intelligence is not enough. Intelligence plus character, that is a goal of true education. The complete education gives one not only power of concentration but worthy objectives upon which to concentrate. Today's objectives are students will be able to recall, comprehend and summarize the text and answer the critical thinking questions. Sketch the character of Elizabeth in 50 to 60 words. Use suitable adjectives to describe the character. Complete given revision exercises on loose sheets. Summary of chapter 1 which will be recalled. The English lieutenant is an experienced seaman who loves to travel more than anything else. The novel opens with the adventure of Lieutenant Bell and Captain Johnson, who hauled off a sailing ship which was traveling in the South Sea when a terrible storm started. A violent storm pulls them off with their charted course and tosses the ship. Widely storm lasts a long time, leaving them aboard distressed and hopeless of being saved. The adventure takes shelter on a remote island. During a storm, the crew meets a strange European man who tells them that his family had been shipwrecked 4 years ago on their way to Australia. The pastor, who was the man who was telling the story, hands over a journal to Lieutenant Bell and tells him to give it to his brother in Switzerland. The required task is to write the character description about the Elizabeth. For this, we will have to need to recall what the character sketch is basically. The definition is a character sketch is a short description of a character based on their traits. For this, the useful elements are describes at least 2 traits about the character. Description may include information about what the character look like, what the character sees, what the character does, what the character thinks or feels, what others say about the character. A character sketch is a write-up about a specific character which may include the following elements. If you are going to write about the specific character, first you will have to need to identify the leading role of the character in the story. Then we will describe his physical appearance, how does he look. Then write the personality traits of the specific character, and then we write about the concern of the person or the character in the story or novel. What are the character's personality traits? Traits refers to one's attitudes or behavior that reflect personality qualities. A character may be curious, brave, cold, loving, aggressive, open-minded, or naive. Personality traits are also qualities that make us find people likable, lovable, etc. These are the personality words which can be utilized or used to describe your character sketch. The given task is write the character description about the Elizabeth in 50 to 75 words in your own words. Include the following while writing the character of Elizabeth. What role did she play in the novel? Physical appearance, you can take hint from the pictures in the novel. For this, describe her role in the family and her contribution in making the story on the island better. Include her relationship and how helpful she is to the rest of the family members. What discoveries did she make? Tasks to be done on loose sheets. Answer the following questions. Answer the following critical question. Question number 1 is, why was Bell's wife unpleased with him? What was the reason that she was not happy with her husband? Question number 2 is, Where was the battleships traveling when the storm started? Identify the characters by following the given descriptions or clues. Sentence number 1 is he has been a sailor for many years. Number 2, he had been shipwrecked with his wife and 4 children. Sentence number 3 is we were extremely lucky to be safe together as a family. Sentence number 4 is you can meet the captain and discuss your family's rescue with him. The sentences are given, description and clues are given here. You will have to write the characters which have been discussed in chapter 1. All the work will be done on loose sheet and the clear images will be sent to the concerned teachers. Thank you. Have a nice day.